Alright guys, we got to draw a triangle given a trig ratio. So let's look at sine 42 is equal to 3 over 5. You know what, the best thing to do is probably draw a right angle triangle. So there we go, we do a perpendicular, sweet, join it up, there's a triangle with 3 sides and a right angle in it. Right, so from here, let's identify the angle we want to use, eh? We could use any of those twos. But let's use the bottom one because it's easier. So we've got 42, that's our angle, we put it there. Right, remember our trig ratio, it was sine theta. Remember theta was the angle? Right, and then we got a ratio there of O over H. So remember H, that was the hypotenuse. It's on the bottom there, but that's the longest side. So let's put the 5 on the longest side. And the O, that stands for the opposite, that's opposite the angle. So let's put the 3 right there. And that's it, man. Drawing a triangle from a trig ratio. Sweet as, eh? Alright, I suppose we better look at 2 more abstract type style questions then, eh? So let's take cos 43 degrees is equal to our variable m over 11. Alright, so remember we want to draw a triangle using that trig ratio. So let's start to draw a triangle. Yes, it does have 3 sides. And remember it's got that perpendicular down there called 90 degrees. Alright, so remember our trig ratio is cos theta is equal to A over H. Now remember that theta was the angle. And we can put that anywhere. So let's make it easy. We'll put it down the bottom. Yeah, pretty sweet. Alright, so now we've got to do the sides. So remember that side there is the longer side, the H side. The O side's opposite the angle, the A side's the other side. So we want to use A and H. So A is the M. Alright, so we've got to put M on the A side. That's where we put it. Easy. Now we put 11 on the H side. And we're done. Pretty straightforward, eh? Alright, so let's look at another example. Got to try and do some things a bit different, so in case you get a bit scared. Alright, so let's look at the tangent ratio this time. So let's look at, we'll do a variable q, because that's different, is equal to w over k. Man, that looks hard. Don't stress, let's just draw our triangle. 3 sides, now 90 degrees. Now remember, what's our tan ratio again? Tan theta equals O over A. Now that's our angle, so let's just choose Q, put it down the bottom just for easy sakes. Our H side is the longest side, our O side's opposite, and our A side's there. Alright, so we want O and A. So O is W, that means on the O side we put W, and on the A side we put K. There we go, we're finished. Easy as, hey bro.